हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ भूमिका कुमारी। और काफ़ी लंबे ब्रेक के बाद मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ। हम जो कार्बिन इंटरमीडिएट के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे उसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। देयर इज़ अ अदर एप्लीकेशन इन विच कार्बिन इंटरमीडिएट इज़ फॉर्म विच इज़ कॉल्ड रेमर-टेमन रिएक्शन। इट इज़ अ नेम रिएक्शन। जितने भी इंटरमीडिएट्स हैं उनके साथ साथ हम उनसे रिलेटेड जितने भी नेम रिएक्शन है वो भी हम लोग कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम रिएक्शन में तो इंटरमीडिएट बनते ही हैं। ओके, सो आगे बढ़ते हैं इस वीडियो में। रेमन-टेमर रिएक्शन कंटेन्स मेन टू टाइप ऑफ रिएजेंट. First is a chloroform and second is a base. Here in this reaction carbene is formed. So please mention about what type of carbene is this. Here it is singlet or triplet. Okay, so आगे मैकेनिज्म देखते हैं। यहाँ पे कार्बिन जो फॉर्म हो रहा है उसके बारे में। तो ये जो क्लोरोफॉर्म है इट कंटेन्स 1 हाइड्रोजन एंड 3 क्लोरीन ग्रुप. सो बेस का काम क्या होता है? मतलब हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव करना, मोस्ट एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव करना. ओके, सो हियर कार्बन इज कंटेनिंग एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन. सो बेस विल रिमूव दिस हाइड्रोजन एंड देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ carbon ion. So chlorine is a good living group, not so good living group, but when there is a presence of negative charge, then every electronegative atom tries to remove from that particular position. So here is a removal of chlorine with carrying negative charge, and there is a formation of carbene. So we assume it as a substrate number A. Okay, so we have seen how this carbene is going to form, and then the further reaction, main reaction which we are going to discuss is Raymond-Taylor reaction. So for this we have taken one example. Here is a phenol. So base will again take its hydrogen because oxygen is containing acidic hydrogen. So there is a formation of negative charge. So negative charge will generate a nucleophilic nature, or electron rich nature. So carbene is an electron deficient compound. So this group will attack here. Why this oxygen is not attacking directly to the carbene? Because carbon-carbon bond is more stronger than carbon-oxygen bond. Okay, not as a stronger type of feature we only see. There is a carbon-carbon bond is much good than carbon-oxygen bond. That's why this will happen. Okay, so after this kind of negative charge flow, there will be formation of double bond, and this carbon will contain negative charge due to electron enrichment because of the flow of electron from this oxygen and this carbon to this carbon. This carbons containing antibonding orbital is going to be filled due to this electrons. Okay, so further what will happen? This hydrogen will cleave and this will flow towards the oxygen side, and there will be the formation of OH group. It is a kind of keto-enol tautomerism. Okay, so then which hydrogen leave from this position, this oxygen will again attach with this carbon due to there is a negative charge, and then OH minus will attack on this carbon because it is working as a electrophile, and this is a like a nucleophile. Here it is working. First it was working as a base, but now it is working as a nucleophile. So this will remove one chlorine, okay, one chlorine, and then this oxygen containing a lone pair will attack on this carbon antibonding orbital, and again this chlorine will remove from here, and there will be formation of aldehyde. So here what will form? First it is like this, but after its removal there is a formation of there will be the formation of okay. So this is a फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. सो हमने समझ लिया कि कैसे ये कार्बिन फॉर्म होता है, एंड देन कैसे रेमंड टेमर रिएक्शन प्रोसीड करती है. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.